In this video, I'll show you how to create an ACI eManifest with another carrier's shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. With ACI, Canada Border Services Agency requires highway carriers to register with ACI service providers such as BorderConnect or any other service providers separately. As a result, when taking another carrier's shipment with their cargo control number, you may need to create an ACI eManifest and reference the other carrier's shipment if they're registered with a different service provider. This is called a reference shipment. A reference shipment can only be done if the other carrier will be submitting the ACI shipment in their ACI service provider software. Once the shipment is on file with CBSA, the carrier registered in BorderConnect that will be taking the shipment is then free to create the ACI eManifest and reference the other carrier's shipment in the manifest. So let's jump in and I'll show you how to do that. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, then tap ACI eManifests and select Start New ACI eManifest. And after you enter all your ACI trip details, go to the bottom and tap Save and Start New ACI Shipment, and then select the option Save and Start New ACI Shipment. And to learn how to enter trip information on an ACI eManifest with a mobile device, tap the link at the top of the video now. Starting from the top, select your shipment type. It's currently set to a PARS as that's the most common shipment type, but if the shipment type was different, just tap it to change it. Now enter the cargo control number of the shipment you're hauling for, and change the carrier code to match the other companies. To do that, just tap the carrier code to change it, and when selecting the carrier code, you'll notice that it's not enabled for ACI, which is normal when the carrier is not registered for BorderConnect ACI. If the carrier code is not listed, you will have to add it in the company details page under the account menu option. And to learn how to do that, tap the link at the top of the video now. Now we'll mark the shipment as a reference shipment. So enable Show All on the top right, and then below the cargo control number field, enable Is Reference Only. Once enabled, all the additional shipment fields will disappear as the other carrier will be submitting this info with their provider. If the Is Reference Only option doesn't appear after you enable Show All, you will have to enable this feature in the company settings page under Account. Then, in the ACI Shipment Settings section, you can enable Allow ACI Reference Only Shipments, and then tap Save at the top. Once the shipment's marked as a reference shipment, go to the bottom and tap Save and Create New Shipment. Then select Save and Back to Trip, where you're now ready to send it. So go to the top and tap Sync with CBSA, where the manifest status will be moved to 2 yellow bars, Transmitted. And once the manifest is accepted, it'll move to 3 blue bars, On File with CBSA. In most cases, to get the transaction number and for the ACI to move to 4 green bars, a status query will also need to be sent. To send a status query, scroll down to the Shipment section, and above the shipment, tap Options and select Send to CBSA. Then, tap Send Status Query for Shipments. A status query typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes to get a response, but once a Declaration Accept message is found, the manifest will move to 4 green bars. Status queries use BorderConnect's PARS Tracking software, and to learn more about BorderConnect RNS PARS Tracking software using a mobile device, tap the link at the top of the video now. And when the driver arrives, this status will then move to 5 dark green bars, Arrival Reported at Border. And lastly, when the driver is released, move to 6 green bars. Congratulations! You now know how to create an ACI eManifest and reference another carrier's shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. This type of manifest is usually completed within about a minute or two, and if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. And to learn how to create an ACI eManifest with another carrier's shipment on a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.